Hey, what's up, guys? We just got back from Home Depot. Got some acetone and masking tape and paper to cover the car up and cover whatever we don't want to get painted. Hanging up some lights right now. This is a finished product that's about to go into the car. Everything's all there.
Just redo that. Wrap it.
We need to wrap down the screamer pipe, and that's about it. It's ready to go in. We got the harness on standby. Everything's good. We'll be spraying here shortly. We're gonna be doing some test shots to see if we like the texture. Yeah, that's fine. But this is what it looks like as of now. Looks pretty fucking awesome. Look at that. And this is just coat one. I don't have enough to fully coat the trunk, but we'll start with the trunk on the next spray. But it looks fucking good. Look at that. A little close up so you can see the texture. But that's coat one. I think we're going to do 3 coats today. I'll keep you updated. Up. Just finished up. We took all the tape off. And paper and plastic. Sorry, I'm putting my shoes on. This thing looks clean. Go ahead. I think we did a really good job on this. Really, really nice. How much was a kit?
This was $104.
So $104 kit could turn your engine bay and trunk space into a beauty.
We only used half of it.
And we still have 2 bottles left. So not bad. Not bad. Just gonna let it cure till Tuesday. It's, what is it, Saturday today. And Tuesday we will be installing the new engine. And getting everything ready. Do a first crank and move some fluids in the fresh build. So we could go tune on Friday or Sunday. But this thing is looking awesome. Look at that. Go ahead. Very, very nice. Very nice. You ready to push back? Looks good. Dale, güey.
Oh, I said that stuff with it.
Let's... Dale, güey. See this thing in the sunlight, it's gonna look really nice. Get everything set up for drag season next year. Hopefully I could convince my brother to do some drag sessions with me. Oh yeah. Oh man. Looking nice. We just got to put this thing back together now.
We don't really count for that one, huh?
What? For what?
The little drip.
No big deal. But, how do you guys like it? What do you guys think? Let me know. Well, oh man, luckily I remember to put one in the inside, because when I did mine on that side of the vent, that's why my vent has a bunch of spray. Yeah, but it looked good. This took we started yesterday, but yesterday we did the engine drop, we did the transmission pull, harness pull, full put together of the built block and engine, and the spray, the prep of the engine bay and trunk. There's a busted engine right there. Look how much oil this thing has. This thing was leaking oil like crazy from the cam seals over here, which were supposed to be replaced, but who knows. Today I'm gonna let my brother do that. He could clean his own transmission. I've already been through that and it's hell, so I'll let him take care of the transmission. There's a spare engine over there covered up, but I think this should do it for today. We'll be installing the water to our intercooler kit, so we'll be making a video for that. And next week we should know some results. Hopefully everything's good by then. I mean, we have a good week to get everything ready to go, and I think that's plenty of time, considering we did this in such a short amount of time. When my first K series blew, I managed to replace it within like 2-3 days, so it wasn't bad. My car was only down for about 2-3 days, so pretty nice, pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know. Drop a comment. Any suggestions we could do? I'm more than willing to take some ideas. All right.